What's up, Orlando? This is Dylan from Bangkrak Thai Street Kitchen here at my home in Bangkok, Thailand. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Thai Chinese chicken and cucumber salad. Okay, most of these ingredients you can get from any Asian market in Orlando. It's not too difficult. We have some substitutions which are listed in the recipe. You'll just need some cucumber cut into small pieces like this. You want it kind of irregular like that. Shredded cooked chicken breast. Yes, I know it's like a cardinal sin to use a breast in cooking, but it's actually very perfect for this recipe. Some crushed garlic, sesame seeds, Thai chili powder. This is makwen. This is a Thai variant of Szechuan peppercorn. You're not going to be able to get this in Orlando, so you can actually go ahead and use Szechuan peppercorns for that. It's not going to be too different. Sesame oil, thin soy sauce, and black vinegar. Alright, so you're going to want to start putting your garlic into a small pot or pan, covering it with just enough oil, submerge it, putting it on medium heat, and you just want to bring this to a simmer. Do we say simmer when we're frying stuff? A fizz. Basically, you just want to get this garlic golden colored and cooked, and you want the oil to take on the flavor of the garlic. We're just using a vegetable oil today, but any neutral flavor oil will work. Do not ever use olive oil in Thai cooking, and don't almost ever use coconut oil. Stop putting coconut oil in Thai food. It's so weird. I know it seems like it makes sense, but it doesn't. So you're just gonna get this let this turn yellow. While that oil is getting hot, that garlic's cooking, you're going to take your little bowl of Thai chili powder, and you're going to go ahead and put in your makwen or Szechuan peppercorns. And we're going to add a pinch of, that's rubber band. You can add a pinch of salt to that. So we have chili powder, makwen, peppercorns, salt. Should I mix that up? Oil's getting hot. Garlic's starting to turn a little bit yellow. It'll be done. Then when you're cooking garlic, you don't want to let it go too far. It'll be done. You can take it off the heat. So as soon as you think it might be ready, it's probably ready. Okay, so I moved you down here so you can see what this looks like. All right. This oil is very hot now. The garlic's yellow, so we're just gonna add this into our bowl with our pepper mixture. Be very careful, this is hot oil. You'd be surprised how many people don't think about that. So let's go ahead and start with the garlic first. Okay, and then just pour your oil in there. You just want to get just enough to cover it. You're gonna make basically a paste. Nice little chili paste going on here. You don't want too much oil. This isn't just chili oil we're making. And this actually has a little bit more oil than I'd normally like, but that's okay. This is what you want. We're gonna use this paste for this recipe. You just wanna need about a tablespoon for this recipe, so you can actually save the rest and use it in your pantry. You can put it in noodles or something like that. Whatever makes you feel crazy. But there we go. Okay, now you have your tablespoon of reserved paste. We're just gonna make the dressing for the salad using that. So, what you'll need is another small bowl so you can mix it up. And then it's super simple from here. It's been simple the whole time, but still. With a measuring spoon, you're gonna wanna put 2 tablespoons of thin soy sauce. That's 1. I can count, I swear. Two tablespoons of black vinegar. About 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. And then you're gonna take your paste and sesame seeds. You're gonna get a very delicious aromatic dressing. Taste it. Mmm. That's good. Yeah. Simple. We're almost done. I totally almost forgot. You're gonna want to cut up some spring onions and cilantro. About a quarter cup of them mixed together. I don't have any cilantro today actually, so there's just gonna be spring onions. That's totally fine. If you wanna go without both, that's fine too. But it is nice. So. Do a better job than this. And keep your knives sharp. Okay, so now we're pretty much there. So you're just take your cucumber, better light on that, look at that, it's shiny. Your chicken, mix those together. Your spring onions. Okay, and then all that dressing that you just made, delicious dressing. And then mix it together. You can use your hands too. Honestly, if you guys weren't watching, I'd be using my hands, so if that's what you want to do, go for it. Okay, look at that. Look how nice that looks. All right, we're just gonna plate this.